Hello, friends. Let's have fun and learn together. Hey, today we are going on a very special adventure. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Oh, the Feeling Garden. This is where it all begins. Coco, are you a little bit nervous? That is completely okay. Everyone feels that way the first time. I will be right here with you the whole time. Oh, do you feel something in your tummy, Coco? That feeling, that little squeeze in your tummy, that is your body talking to you. It is saying, time to use the potty. When you feel that feeling, you need to listen to it. Coco, are you ignoring the feeling? It is important not to wait too long. The sooner you go to the potty when you feel it, the easier it is.
Faris, I need to go.
Coco, well done for telling me. When you feel the tummy feeling, tell a grown-up straight away. That is so brave and so smart. You are doing so well. Quick, but no need to run. We have time as long as we go now. When you feel the tummy feeling, walk to the potty straight away. Just do not wait. Do the better. Are doing brilliantly, Coco. Almost there. There it is. Looks okay, right? It is just the right size for you. You sit on it just like a chair. But even easier. That is perfect. Just sit nice and relaxed, just like that. You do not need to rush. Just relax and let it happen. Sometimes it takes a little moment, and that is completely fine. Just sit and relax. Are you enjoying learning with us today? If you are, please like this video and subscribe. We make a new adventure every single week. Coco, you did it! You actually did it! That is the most amazing feeling. And Coco did it all by himself. 3 stars done already. You recognized the feeling, you told someone, and you used the potty. Coco, you are incredible. But we are not finished yet. Step 4, wiping. Always wipe from front to back, like this, gently. Wiping keeps us clean and healthy. Always front the paper neatly and be gentle. Exactly right, Coco. Gently and carefully. Perfect. And we always flush. Bye-bye. Flushing is an important part of the routine, and Coco has it perfectly covered. 4 stars done. Wipe and flush done. Just one more step and Coco is a potty champion. The most important step, wash your hands. After using the potty, we always wash our hands. It keeps our hands clean and healthy. Rub the soap all over, front, back, and between the fingers. Coco, very thorough. Coco, 5 steps done. You are a potty champion. And so are you if you are learning too. Hey, it is okay. Accidents happen. They happen to everyone when they are learning. It does not mean anything bad. It just means try again. Every single person who ever learned to use the accidents first. It is part of learning. Do you know what the most important thing is after an accident? You clean up, you take a breath, and you try again. That is all. Every try again. Just try time you try. You should be so proud of yourself for trying. Look at you, Coco! Big kid underwear! You earned it! And if you are learning too, you are gonna feel exactly this proud very soon. I promise. 5 steps! Felt the feeling? Told someone? Walked to the potty? Used it? Wiped and flushed? Washed hands? You are going to do so well. I know it. Remember, feel the feeling, tell some the potty, wipe, wash your hands, and if there is completely an accident, just try again.
Feel the feeling.
Feel the feeling.
Tell someone.
Tell someone.
Walk to the potty.
Walk to the potty.
Sit right down.
Sit right down.
I can do it.
I can do it.
I can do it.
I can do it.
Wipe and flush.
Wipe and flush.
Wash your hands.
Wash your hands.
I can do it.
I can do it.
I can do it.
I can do it. single week. Subscribe so you never miss Faris Fun Storytime. I will see you in the next adventure.